singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Wait for it. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to rise. You were only waiting for this moment to rise. You were only waiting for this moment to arise.
One more time for Paul, come on. I always wonder what that song's about, Blackbird. I know he dated around a bit, but I won't say anything else. It's a family show.
It's children, George.
It's true. They are children. And we appreciate the children. This next song we like to do is something that I wrote that actually made it on the last record.
Stop bragging.
You know, look, I was lucky if I got one song for the record. You know, then finally in the last record I got 2 songs. On Abbey Road I got 2 songs. And then the band broke up. And this next song I wrote for my wife. And then she leaves me for my best friend. Attracts me like no other lover. Something in the way she